Imagine living a life where your office could be anywhere, from a sunlit room overlooking a bustling city street to a quiet nook in your comfortable home. This is the reality for a successful virtual assistant. In an era where remote work is not just a trend, but a mainstay, mastering the art of virtual assistants can not only promise flexibility and independence, but also a thriving career. The demand for skilled virtual assistants in the USA is skyrocketing, and knowing the top hacks to excel in this field can set you apart from the competition. Specialize your services. Specializing in specific high-demand services can significantly boost your marketability as a virtual assistant. By focusing on areas like social media management, content creation, or administrative support, you can not only enhance your expertise, but also attract clients looking for specialized skills. Understanding your strengths and aligning them with market needs is crucial. For example, if you have a knack for visuals, specializing in graphic design or video editing might be your best bet. The benefits of specialization include higher rates due to your expertise and a clearer marketing message that sets you apart from generalists. Improve your communication skills. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful virtual assistant's career. Whether it's negotiating with a client or managing a project, your ability to convey messages clearly and concisely can make a significant difference. Investing time in improving both your written and verbal communication skills is essential. Tools like Grammarly or ProWriting Aid can help refine your writing, while practicing public speaking or joining platforms like Toastmasters can enhance verbal skills. Remember, the clarity of your communication can greatly influence how clients perceive your professionalism and competence. Leverage the right tools. In the virtual world, efficiency is largely driven by the tools you use. Familiarizing yourself with key software like Asana for project management, Slack for communication, and Trello for task tracking can enhance your productivity and reliability. These tools not only help in managing your tasks efficiently, but also in maintaining constant communication with clients, which is essential for remote work. Adopting the right tools can drastically reduce your workload and help you manage multiple clients more effectively, making you an indispensable part of their operations. In today's digital age, your online persona can be just as important as your real-world presence. Creating a professional website or a LinkedIn profile that showcases your skills, experience, and past projects can attract potential clients. Regular updates and active engagement on professional networks can also increase your visibility and credibility in the industry. Additionally, consider a blog or a portfolio online to highlight your expertise and experiences, which can serve as a testament to your capabilities and professionalism. Learn continuously. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying abreast with the latest tools, technologies, and industry trends is imperative. Engaging in continuous learning through courses, webinars, and certifications can keep you competitive and knowledgeable. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer a plethora of courses that can help you upgrade your skills. Additionally, attending industry conferences and webinars can provide insights into market trends and networking opportunities. Continuous learning not only enriches your skill set, but also demonstrates a proactive attitude to clients. Offer exceptional customer service. Exceptional customer service can be a game changer in the realm of virtual assistants. This involves not just meeting but exceeding client expectations, being proactive about communication, and delivering consistently high-quality work. Asking for regular feedback and acting on it can help in fine-tuning your services and strengthening client relationships. Remember, satisfied clients are more likely to provide referrals, thus helping you build a robust client base. Develop a robust workflow. Managing multiple clients and projects requires a well-organized workflow. Establishing a systematic approach to your tasks can help you handle your responsibilities smoothly and efficiently. Utilizing tools like Google Calendar for scheduling, Evernote for note-taking, and Dropbox for file sharing can streamline your operations and save time. An effective workflow not only helps in maintaining professionalism, but also in achieving a better work-life balance, which is crucial for long-term success in this field. In conclusion, Becoming a successful virtual assistant involves more than just being good at administrative tasks. It requires strategic actions and continuous improvement in various facets of the profession. By following these top hacks, you can elevate your virtual assistant career and enjoy the flexibility and opportunities this path offers. Imagine living a life where your office could be anywhere, from a sunlit room overlooking a bustling city street to a quiet nook in your comfortable home. This is the reality for a successful virtual assistant. In an era where remote work is not just a trend but a mainstay, mastering the art of virtual assistance can not only promise flexibility and independence, but also a thriving career. The demand for skilled virtual assistants in the USA is skyrocketing, and knowing the top hacks to excel in this field can set you apart from the competition.